You're watching an Involve Me tutorial on custom thank you and outcome pages redirects. With custom redirects, you can set your own URL as the final part of your project, instead of the traditional thank you and outcome pages. For example, if you wanted to direct customers to a specific product based on their answers, you could do that very easily using this feature. For this example, we're going to use a project with answer-based outcomes, but you could use any of the three. What I'm going to do is hover over my outcome page and click the pencil icon called Page Properties. Then I'm going to paste my desired URL that I want to redirect my customers to using HTTPs right here, and click Save. As you can see, the page notifies you that it uses a redirect, and then it shows you the link which it redirects your users to. We're going to take a look at how your users actually see this in a second. And for my second outcome page, I could either include a different link, or for my demonstration, I'm not going to include any link whatsoever. Let's give this a shot and see how the project actually looks like. By going to the top right corner, clicking on the eye icon and trying draft. So the question is, would you like to experience a neat AI-powered tool for creating quizzes, surveys, forms, and much more? If I click yes, I'm going to get redirected right to the Involve Me homepage. If I choose no, I'm going to be met with the outcome page that I set up before. Of course, once again, you could either provide a different link here, not provide one at all. This is fully up to you to customize according to your needs. And just like that, you're ready to use custom thank you and outcome pages redirects. For more support, go to help.involve.me. And good luck getting involved.